Do you have American Racing torque thrust wheels on your car and you're not a big fan of the wheel cap that comes with it? Well, I've got a solution for you. On my car, I have these dust caps that go over the end of the axle, and because of the distance from this surface here where the cap goes to that cap, you just can't put something flat on there. And American Racing provides these caps that give you plenty of clearance depending on how far your axle sticks out or the dust cap or whatever. But I'm not a big fan of this style of cap. I think this sticks out, too far. I want something more low profile, but in my case, a flat cap won't work. On the rear axle of my car, I don't have anything sticking. I don't have any dust caps or anything. So this flat surface is fine, and I could put something flat there. I still don't want this setup on my car, but I would like something to match the front. So because I don't want to use this cap that American Racing provides, I made my own cap. And what I've got here is something that's got the same bolt pattern as this, so you can still fasten it to the wheel, but it provides something that this cap doesn't have. On my particular car, I've got a 5 by 4.5 bolt pattern that, because of the way this is designed, this edge gets in the way and I have to take this cap off to take the wheel off. I don't want to have to do that extra step. So what I did on my cap is I've got these notches in here, so these allow you to bolt it to the wheel, and now you don't have to take this off every time you take the wheel off. These things clear your standard socket that will go on there, easy peasy. Also, because the way this is bored out on the back, it clears that dust cap on my wheel, but it provides something that's not as big as this. Installation for this is a breeze. It only takes a handful of fasteners, just like the cap from American Racing. There. And when you're ready to take the wheel off, again, you don't need to take the cap off because the socket goes right through here and allows you to take these lugs off without having to take your cap off. But when you put the American Racing caps on, this part right here starts to rub, and it puts the socket at an angle, and it starts to bind on this edge here. You're going to chew up this edge every time you try to take the wheels off and on. With my design, it's all cut out, and you don't have to worry about that. You're probably wondering, what's this glorious product made out of? This is CNC machined from 6061 aluminum. And I've done some durability tests to show you how great this product really is. So the ones that I have right here for this video, I polished these up to see if they would look good with this machined lip that I have on my wheel, and I'm not sure that the polished look is the best way to go. I'm thinking just the bare CNC look will be better for these. I don't know if I'm going to offer a polished option on my website for now. I'm just going to do the CNC finish, but they'll still look really good. So you're probably wondering, where can you get these wheel caps? Right now I've got them listed on my website, KruseBuilt.com, but because I make these things in limited quantities, the best way to do it is check my Instagram where I'll update when I get a new batch in. I am having these made locally, so yes, they are made in the USA, so that's a plus. But guys, if you want to keep track on when these things are available, again, just check out my Instagram or just check in on my website and I'll see if I have anything for you. So if you're interested in getting a set of these for your car, run over to KruseBuilt.com and grab yourself a set. If you guys buy these, that helps me out directly, helps my channel out, keeps things going, and it hopefully will turn into more parts that I'm going to be making for this car and maybe other cars. So stick around for that. So guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out, and we'll see you in the next one.